Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Battle of a pregnant mother. Full story. A woman was in a serious relationship with her man. He got promoted at work, so they bought a piece of land in Kitson Town, Jamaica. They built a small house, and while building, she found out that she was pregnant. They moved into their house when she was 4 months. About 2 months into living there, weird things started to happen. The woman would be sleeping and hear a man calling her name, only to get up and see her man sound asleep, or he would be in the living room, and she'd swear she saw a man sitting in the other chair. One day, she was tired and went to her bedroom to take a nap. As she started to doze off, she saw a brown lady in full white and wrap head just come through the door and started to rub her belly. She couldn't move, she was paralyzed. The woman's older daughter came in the room and shake her on the bed. The duppy disappeared, and that's how she jumped out the bed. She was so scared. Another time, the woman was in the bathroom preparing to go to Spanish Town. Her older daughter, who was 5 years old at the time, came in and asked her where she was going. She told her little daughter that she was going to Spanish Town. Her little daughter asked her if that woman is coming with her too. She asked her which woman. She pointed to the corner closest to the woman and said, "Si harde." The woman didn't know what to do but pray. Another day, the woman's mother went to her house because her sister overseas sent them a barrel. Her mother said as the vehicle braked the corner, she saw a strange woman run into the yard. The woman was shocked as she didn't tell anyone of what was taking place. Her mother got into spirit and was running up and down the avenue with water dashing while speaking in tongues. After that, things calmed down. One day, as the woman was walking in Spanish Town, now heavily pregnant, a higgler lady was selling near Tasty, and as the woman passed, the higgler called out to her to come here. Puzzled, she went. The higgler said, "Someone tie up you baby in your belly, you need to buy a bottle of olive oil. Get it blessed, and drink or you're going to meet a horrible fate." The woman was so shocked that she started to cry. She did what the higgler told her to do. After that, she went to her friend's house, and her granny said something to write in a mum. Granny asked the woman if her bed faced 3 windows, and bush was across from her house. She told Granny yes. Granny described the same duppy and told the woman that the duppy was watching her. Granny prayed for her and beat her body and her pregnant belly. When she was finished, the woman was pain up. The woman's men asked her why she tell them, but she told him that she didn't tell no one about it. As the woman was nearing her due date, the Wednesday after that, she went to visit her man's auntie, who was a prayer warrior. Auntie prayed for her and told her that someone who wanted her man said it so that the woman must pass away in child's birth. Auntie said that the duppy they set on the woman was so strong that she will have to pay it to leave her alone. Auntie gave the woman a list which consists of rum, gin, blue and lime to bathe in for 3 days. Terrified, the woman did it the Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. She had her baby the next Thursday, and she was born a healthy baby. She is now 13 years old. The woman and her man are now happily married.
Like and follow for more. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.